Hello everyone! If you cook tofu like I do, it will be crispy on the outside and tender inside, soft and tasty. You will have learned another specialty. First, prepare a piece of tofu, cut it into long strips, put it on a plate for later use. Prepare 20 grams of ginger and cut it into minced pieces. Put it in a bowl for later use. Cut an appropriate amount of green onions into chopped green onions. Smash 4 garlic cloves and cut them into minced pieces, and cut 4 chilies into rings. Prepare a piece of meat and cut it into minced meat. The type of meat is up to you. Add an appropriate amount of oil to the pan. Sprinkle a little salt, then put the tofu in the pan and fry it slowly over low heat until both sides are golden brown so that the fried tofu tastes more fragrant. Then serve for later use. Leave a little oil in the pan, add the meat, stir fry the meat until fragrant, add the chopped small ingredients, and continue to stir fry until fragrant. Then we start seasoning. Add a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken bouillon powder, a little light soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, a little water. Then put in the tofu and cook it for 3 minutes. Finally, add starch water to thicken. Let the soup wrap the tofu so that it is more flavorful, and finally sprinkle with charming chopped green onions. Tofu cooked like this is really delicious. It looks very appetizing, rich in nutrition, full of fragrance. I share simple home-cooked food every day. Please click on the free little red heart and subscribe. You will find this delicacy again if you want to eat it in the future.